Folks, welcome back once again. I don't know what happened to the live stream, and internet probably was too slow, therefore the stream dropped. And exactly, remember, I was saying that I want to see this candle close outside of M15 inversion fair value gap, but it does not happen. So what they did, they have sent it lower, and they took what they took sell side below the marketplace. You can see they utilize the same PDRS, बट प्रोबेबली शायद आपने पहले ये चीज़ें ऑब्जर्व नहीं की होंगी. दैट्स वाई यू आर गेटिंग बिट कन्फ्यूज्ड. लुक एट दिस. देयर वाज एन 15 fair value gap which was traded like what inversion. This little fair value gap along with 1 minute fair value gap. But you can see if you drop to 1 minute chart, आप देख सकते हो कि exactly जो reaction है specifically वो M15 के inversion 1 मिनट के सीबी जो कि एक बिग सीबी था उसके अंदर 1 मिनट का सीबी के अंदर 15 मिनट का जो फेयर वैल्यू गैप है उसके अंदर से आई है मेजर रिएक्शन. नाउ वी हैव सेल साइड लिक्विडिटी बिलो द मार्केट प्लेस एज वेल जो कि किसी और इक्वल लोज हैं. दैट्स आल्सो रिजाइड्स बिलो द मार्केट. So my eyes are jumping to this as well, this little fair value gap. But that was the viable trade setup which I found, which I took in terms of sell, and I'm done. I've closed my trade on this sell side liquidity. Now I'm not looking for buys, neither looking for sells. You have to keep in mind about this fair value gap, because this fair value gap along with this thing is what breaker block. This whole candle along with this thing is what breaker, which is breaker negative. I'm watching that. If it allows to run below this and run this sell side liquidity, I'm watching and can easily do that. Touch the lower portion of this candle and then reject that. I'm looking at it right now. It is also inside 1 minute breaker. That is also what the part of 15-minute fair value gap. So मैं इस सेल साइड लिक्विडिटी को रिमूव कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि हमारा इससे काम हो चुका हुआ है, which we want to see from that. I'm watching 5, 1, 15, all of these time frames. I'm looking at it from a narrative, from a perspective. Remember, we dipped in, we are in the consequent encroachment of 15-minute fair value gap. अगर ये सेल साइड लिक्विडिटी ड्रा है तो देन मैं इस कैंडल के लोअर पोर्शन से रिस्पेक्ट देखना चाहता हूँ. अदरवाइज these highs are too smooth, market can go above that. This is 15 minutes fair value gap. I'm watching it as well along with this breaker. और सारी जंग इस ब्रेकर और इस 15 मिनट के फेयर वैल्यू गैप के इन बिटवीन है. I'm just watching. This candle can run these highs easily, but remember we are also inside the lower portion of this breaker. I need more information in 2 minutes. I wanna see silver as well, because सिल्वर और गोल्ड कोरिलेटेड पेयर्स हैं और इस चीज़ को मैं बहुत 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 बार बता चुका हुआ हूँ. आई डोंट लाइक द फैक्ट अगर ये इसको लोअर सेंड करना चाहते हैं तो जिस तरह ये इसको बैलेंस्ड कर रहे हैं, आई डोंट लाइक दैट. प्रोबेबली इट गोना बी सेंडिंग इट हायर. आई एम वाचिंग कैंडल की बॉडीज इसके 50% से नीचे क्लोज करें, देन आई कैन एंटिसिपेट कि दैट मार्केट कैन गो टू सेल साइड लिक्विडिटी प्रोबेबली. 15 minutes candle. I'm observing that. I'm watching. 30 seconds still left. I wanna see it to trade to liquidity. That's what I'm looking at. I don't like what it did over there. I'm looking for this little fair value gap to trade to and then through. Now I'm looking for these highs